Electric cars aren't new, they're over 200 years old. But in the last decade, battery technology, software, and charging infrastructure changed everything. From lead-acid experiments to solid-state revolutions. This is how EVs went from novelty to inevitable. Electric vehicles work by storing energy in batteries, then converting it to motion through electric motors. Unlike gasoline engines with thousands of moving parts. And if motor has just one, the rotor spinning at 20,000 RPM. Regenerative braking captures energy. When you slow down, feeding it back to the battery. Battery management systems monitor thousands of cells, keeping them at optimal temperature and charge. And the result, instant torque, zero emissions, and 90% energy efficiency compared to gasoline's 30%. The evolution spans to centuries. 1832, Robert Anderson built the first crude electric carriage with non-rechargeable batteries. 1899, electric cars hold the speed record at 68 miles per hour. 1996, General Motors launches the F1, then kills it. 2008, Tesla's Roadster proves EVs can be fast, sexy, and desirable. 2012, the Model S introduces long-range batteries. And over-the-air updates. 2020, mass adoption begins as EVs reach price parity with gas cars. And now, solid-state batteries promise 1,000-mile range and 10-minute charging. Modern technology has 4 critical components. The battery pack, lithium-ion cells arranged in modules delivering 400 to 800 volts. The electric motor, permanent magnet, or induction designs producing instant torque. The inverter, converting DC battery power to AC for the motor with 98% efficiency. And the thermal management system, keeping batteries between 20 and 40 degrees Celsius for optimal performance and longevity. But the real innovation isn't hardware, it's software. Over-the-air updates improve range, add features, and fix bugs without visiting a service center. What's next for electric vehicles? Solid-state batteries replace liquid electrolytes with solid materials, doubling energy density and eliminating fire risk. 800-volt architectures enable 350 kilowatt charging 10 to 80% in 10 minutes. Wireless charging pods embedded in roads and parking spots eliminate cables. Vehicle-to-grid technology turns your EV into a mobile power plant, selling energy back during peak demand. And autonomous driving transforms cars from products to services. Robo-taxis available on demand 24/7. The future of transportation isn't just electric. It's autonomous, connected, and shared.